In this video, I'll work through a sample problem in calculating speed and calculating velocity. The question has come from College Physics for AP courses, which is freely available through OpenStax.org. And we'll be working through question 6 of chapter 2.3, time, velocity and speed. So a helicopter blade spins at 100 revolutions per minute. Its tip is 5 meters from the center of rotation. Calculate the speed of the blade tip and calculate velocity. So the first thing I want to do is draw a diagram of what's happening. So we have got our helicopter blade. The tip is 5 meters from the center of rotation, so 5 meters, and it is spinning in revolutions, so circles. And it's doing those at 100 revolutions per minute. In calculating the speed, I want to first identify what information I've been given. What do I know? I know that the radius of my circle is 5.00 meters. And I know that the time that I have been given is, I'm going to convert it into seconds. The time I've been given is a minute, and I'm converting it to seconds because that's our standard unit of measurement for time. I'm being asked to calculate the speed. So speed is my unknown. And the formula for calculating speed is distance over time. I've been given my time, 60 seconds, but I haven't been given my distance. I'm going to have to calculate that. And I can do that by calculating what is the circumference of my circle here. I've been given the radius, so my distance is going to be equal to the circumference, which is 2 times pi times r. So 2 times pi times 5.00 meters, which is going to be 31.42 meters. And something I want to note here is that that's for one revolution. 31.42 meters is for one revolution. And in 60 seconds, my helicopter blade will actually do 100 revolutions per minute. So I'm going to multiply this by 100. So now my distance is 3,142 meters. And my speed, I can just plug those values into my formula now. 3,142 meters divided by 60 seconds is going to give me 52.4 meters per second is my speed. Speed is scalar, so we don't need to include a direction there, which leads quite nicely into the second part of the question. We're asked to calculate velocity. Well, the definition of velocity is that it is the speed that an object is traveling in a particular direction. And in this instance, our helicopter blade is doing revolutions and it's actually finishing where it started, which means that its position hasn't changed, and so velocity is equal to 0. So the answer to part A is 52.4 meters per second, and the answer to B, I'll put up here, velocity is 0.